Like, I'm obsessed. I love this. Hey loves, I'm going to dive right into showing you how I prepped my hair for these butterfly locks. So I started off with shampoo, conditioned, and deep conditioned hair because I knew my hair was going to be under these butterfly locks for about 2 to 3 weeks. So I am dividing my hair in 4 sections, of course, and I'm going to be applying a very good moisturizing butter. And it is the Coconut Coil Enhancing Moisture Butter by Carol's Daughter. This paste is so thick and I love the way it smells. It's super moisturizing. Now right here, my hair was pretty, like, I would say about 80% dry, and I did that on purpose because I didn't really want to put any heat to my hair as far as blow drying it out for these butterfly locks. I just wanted it to be slightly air dried, but of course moisturized to the T and stretched when I get ready to detangle and just put it in jumbo braids. And I ended up doing this for about like 2 hours prior to her installing the butterfly lock, so it was able to kind of dry and form in that setting and be stretched out instead of me applying heat. Now I'm being pretty generous with the amount of curl enhancing butter, or coil enhancing butter I should say, on each section because, like I said, my hair is going to be under these for about 2 to 3 weeks. And then I took some avocado oil by Naturall Club and sealed that in. And then I'm going to, of course, detangle and make sure all the products is thoroughly distributed throughout each section with this Q Redo detangling brush. Now let me just tell you guys the details on this brush because it is amazing. I love that it has flexible teeth and it's really easy to grip because of the rubber handle, I should say. I was about to say rubber handle. It allows me to have a really good grip, especially if you have thick hair. And if your hair was pretty dry like mine, about 80% dry, it tends to get kind of matted. But with me applying these products and using the flexible teeth with this Q Redo detangling brush, it was a breeze to get through each section. Another cool thing with the flexible teeth is that it is so easy to clean. And I love that because a lot of detangling brushes have like that little vent. And it's really hard to clean and get the shedded hair out. But this is super easy to clean. It also comes with a teeth modifier for, you know, thicker hair if you want to modify the brush. But I just liked it like this. It worked really, really easy. You guys should definitely check this out. And I will also link all the products as well as this detangling brush in the description box down below. From the beauty supply store, I bought 7 packs of the free tress braiding hair in the water wave, and I got it in the color 1B. But I also bought 2 packs of a brown tone because I wanted to add a pop of color for the fall. And I'm really glad I ended up getting 7 packs just to be on the safe side, even though we only used about 4 to 5 packs because we were working pretty late at night, which would have been really tragic if I didn't have enough because I had a photo shoot the next morning. So super glad I was on the safe side. Now this is Dallas braiding my hair, and this was the longest process. I want to say it took about 3 to 4 hours with all the parting and braiding. Now she did add some jam on top of it, so on top of my 2 products I have this jam. So I will definitely say my hair is pretty sealed under these butterfly locks, but I'm so glad Dallas was able to come down and do my hair because she is actually located in the Atlanta Lithonia area. So I will leave all her information in the description box down below for you guys to check her out if you're up there. I was so like happy that she was doing my hair because honestly I always do my hair and it feels so good letting somebody else do my hair. But that was Skylar making an appearance. This is her older sister slash roommate, well my roommate and slash my best friend. But yeah, like I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the process because she was just braiding and then she ended up crocheting the hair into my head and wrapping it, creating the beautiful butterfly locks. So just enjoy the beautiful process.
Homage got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
Alright guys, these are the finished results. I'm not gonna lie, It's been 3 days since I've had this in, but I was super busy because after we finished, it was 3 a.m. I had a photo shoot and a Zoom call that next morning. And then the next day, which was Sunday, I had a little business meeting on campus for a TV show coming soon. So stay tuned for that on FAMU's campus. So I was just super busy and did not film the finished look. But these are how my super distressed butterfly locks look, you guys. I'm so glad we decided to add color into it, you know, for a little pop of brown for the fall. And to show you guys from the side, the back. Super out of my comfort zone, you know. This is like my first time getting a protective style for an extended period of time, because I've had passion twists before, but only for like 4 or 5 days for spring break like 2 years ago. But I'm really excited because my plan is to keep this in for 2-3 weeks. Now I know earlier I said a month, but I have a photo shoot October 3rd and I'm going to straighten my hair for that. So just to test this out for 2 weeks or 2 to 3 weeks is really phenomenal for me, because you guys know I don't put any extensions in my hair for real. So I'm obsessed with this. It's out of my comfort zone, but I'm really excited to even like give this look a chance. So thank you so much to Dallas. I will link all her information in the description box down below for you guys to check her out if you are in the Atlanta/Lithonia area. And also follow her hair page on Instagram. But just to show you guys up close, like, I'm obsessed. I love this. Also, let me know in the comment section down below if you want me to show you a video on different ways that I like to style it. Now, I don't like my hair and my face too much, so I've been loving the whole like half up, half down look with like the bun. That's like my go-to thing now, especially when I do my whole skincare routine at night. But definitely let me know in the comment section, you guys, because I would love to do that for you. I might even add a gold string to it soon, or like some hair charms. I don't know. Give me some suggestions in the comment section too. But I will talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for more videos to come, because I'll also be showing you guys my nighttime routine with my distressed butterfly locks. But alrighty, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.